together. Today's episode:
Echo Hero and the Mission of Nature. Once upon a time, there was a group of friends with special powers. They called themselves the Echo Heroes. Each one of them had an amazing ability to protect the environment and save animals.
The leader of the group has Captain Green, who could save plants with just a touch. Wind Swift could control the winds and clean the polluted air. Aqua could talk to the animals and keep the oceans clean, and Fire Grow could create energy from the sun to help nature.
One day, they got many animals were in danger because the forests were being destroyed, and some rivers were polluted. The Echo Heroes got together and set off to save the day.
First, Captain Green used his powers to stop the fire in the forest. The Wind Swift sent fresh winds to clear the smoke and polluted air. In the oceans, Aqua helped all the fish. With the help of the animals, she cleaned up the trash. Fire Girl, use your energy to light up the night. I help the baby turtles reach the sea safely.
Together, the Echo Heroes saved the forests, rivers, and animals in danger.
They knew that if everyone took care of nature, the world would be a better place.
And so, the Echo Heroes continue their journey, always ready to save the planet.